Hi, my name is Dan, and I'm a fairly new consulting hypnotist. A year ago at this convention, I got certified to do such a thing. And in the last year, I've had an amazing journey of setting up a hypnotic practice and learning what it takes to be successful. And at this convention, I would like to share with anybody that's interested in going through that experience what it takes to really get off the ground and really start to make an impact with clients and people that they work with. There's the business side of this, and there's the client side of this. From the business side, we'll look at things like, where do I do this? Do I need an office? Can I do this from home? Can I do this remotely? We'll also talk about things like laws and licenses and all of the things that go along with marketing and promoting yourself as a hypnotist. On the client side, I'll share some of my initial experiences, the apprehension of actually working with a client, and the joy of actually seeing huge differences in their experience. It'll be a great talk and an exciting time to learn about what it's like to get off the ground and be a consulting hypnotist.